In sync with, mastering English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to uncover the meaning behind in sync with. This expression is a gem in everyday English and can be a powerful addition to your communication toolkit. So let's get started and find out how being in sync can help us in conversations and collaborations. In sync with is a phrase that paints a picture of harmony and coordination. It originates from the world of music, where instruments need to be in sync for a performance to sound good. When you're in sync with someone, it means you're moving, thinking, or feeling together in a way that shows agreement or a natural connection. You can use in sync with in various contexts. Teamwork. Our team is in sync with each other, leading to a successful project. Relationships. We're so in sync with each other's thoughts and feelings. Trends. This product is in sync with the latest technology. Let's put in sync with into action with some examples. The dancers were perfectly in sync with the music. My tutor and I are in sync with the study plan for my exams. It's important that the software is in sync with the user's needs. Staying in sync can be crucial in various aspects of life. Here are a few tips. Listen actively. This ensures you're on the same page with others. Communicate clearly. Misunderstandings can throw you off sync. Be open to feedback. It helps adjust your actions to better align with others. Being in sync with someone or something means much more than just agreeing. It's about a shared rhythm in thoughts, actions, or feelings that makes interactions smooth and effective. I hope this video helps you stay in sync in your English learning journey and beyond. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.